as you know, Instagram often releases a new version and you need to keep your Instagram application up to date if you want to be able to use all the features. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Instagram. There are two ways you can update your Instagram. The first way is going to App Store, searching for Instagram. Now here, mine says open. That means my Instagram is up to date, but it might say update for you. So if you see that, tap on the update and make sure your Instagram is updated. But let's say for some reason that doesn't work. Another way you can update your Instagram is going to settings, and you want to scroll and find general. And from this menu, you want to tap on iPhone storage. And here you can find Instagram and tap offload app. And now it takes a couple of seconds to offload and then reinstall the app. Download. So what this does is basically removing your Instagram app and re-downloading it again, reinstalling it again. It will remove all the cache. Maybe it fixes some of the bugs or all of the bugs. This is called force stopping the application. And usually it is the best way to fix all the bugs or any problems that you might be having with updating your Instagram app. When this process is done, you can open your Instagram and be sure that it is updated. And don't forget to subscribe for more.